100 क्या चाहिए देखे दीदी 100 रुपए अंदर देखे दीदी
आप चाहिए
100 रुपए आप चाहिए थैंक यू दीदी
boating activity started at Deer Park. Oh, they brought down the old bridge. Torsadra. This rock sitting, I want to get it one done like that at my farmhouse. It's really cool. Wow, look at these bamboo shoots and the bamboos. Hello, welcome back. This is your Pampa Angel vlog. I am here at Visarga Dhamma and it's also called Deer Park. When we were kids, you know, we used to come here for swimming. And yeah, a great news. Before, you know, the entrance was just, when we were kids, the entrance was just 5 rupees or something. And just a few months back, when I came with my uncle and KP, the entrance was just 15 rupees. And today, to my surprise, they have raised the entrance ticket and each and every visitor has to pay 60 rupees. Yeah, so quite surprising. It's not the double but the triple amount. You just have to pay 60 rupees to enter this Visarga Dhamma or the deer park. And I could see, you know, few deers inside that caged area. And yeah, I could just spot few deers behind me. $60, you can do this walking for free. Before you need to pay, you know. Now they've made it free. I can no jump charge to chick chick do then no chedare like chick chick jo. Tibetan. Huh? Did you visit Golden Temple? Golden Temple. We are Tibetan. Yeah. Come, go. Wait, mune mang mate sa ta tom dead. Oh, te tayo na. Ta chong cha cha, di chiare ni. Just hanging bridge la rab, dal na raja gojo matang the lamba. Cherry ni oh. Sheta chone dura ya, jig lan dura ya.
I would never ever say no for an adventure.
Tak gusto das kuch gul ko sare. Ayo de chicken. Shout bedding.
There, Juba.
Kjør da. Vet du, jeg må ta det.
Sippy is going to join Indian Army free commando training. Yes. Cadet number 3570 KP. Come on, and cadet number North. House number 22 Donald Duck. They are doing commandos training. Both of them are going to join Indian Army. It's really hot. Oh my God. You can see a tree house. Oh there. Yeah, before we used to climb on those and we used to click pictures. So I will show you tree house behind me. Yeah, that's the tree house. You could just climb up and click pictures. And yeah, see, tree house behind me. And we used to go for swimming, and they have shut the gate. They're not sending people down the river. Ah, it's open. Riverside. Yeah, it's open. The gate is open. Wow. See? It's open. It's open. You can just go down towards the riverside. It's really hot, so sitting by the riverside could be damn refreshing in this heat. Okay. This is at Deer Park, Nisargagama. It just reminds me of my childhood days. We used to come here for swimming. And I brought lots of my friends from Chennai as well. Aluka, Swami, Asante, Pure. Remember? We just came here by the riverside for a swim, you know. And in this heat though, the river is not that deep. The water level is not that deep for a swim. Still, I just want to get in the water. And, yeah, in this heat, you know, it's really cool and refreshing just to sit by the riverside. Just to look at those fishes. Oh my god, I just want to do a free fish therapy. You can experience those exotic white birds, tree houses. Go for a horse ride at Deer Park, Nisargagama. Oh, lots of stores and shops they've opened at Nisargagama, Deer Park.